check, check. Testy, testy. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today's video, y'all, is gonna be all about my staple hair secrets. I mean, I didn't really realize it was a secret until I realized that I hadn't really done a video in a really long time dedicated to telling you guys about my hair, my staple hair. I do a lot of videos on hair, as you know, but I hadn't done one on my hair company, the Untamed collection, which I could forget sometimes. You guys, there's a lot of you who are new here and don't know about it, so I always think like, oh, you guys know already, I talk about it all the time. It's like, oh my God, no, I don't talk about it all the time. So I'm here to talk about it and answer your questions, because when I get the questions like, girl, what hair is that? I'm thinking like, where you been at? You don't know? But if you're new, you wouldn't know. So I'm sorry, I apologize thoroughly, and I will be rewarding you for that apology with a coupon code if you are interested in purchasing this hair. Because this hair, y'all, it is the greatest curly hair you will ever experience. It took me years and a lot of money to find this hair that agrees with the water, this hair that isn't a hassle to maintain. It's just quality, honey. It's quality, okay? This is the Kenya Curl in 222s, half a pack, I think almost 3/4 of a pack of a 20-inch and an 18-inch frontal. So there are frontals available, closures available, and bundles that you can buy, turn into clip-ins, wrap around in ponytails, make into wigs, whatever you feel like you want to do. The frontals do come pre-plucked. You can always, of course, add to that. Like I've had to pre-pluck mine a little bit more just because it depends on your hairline and what it looks like, but it does come semi-pre-plucked with a medium brown lace. I always make mine into wigs or wrap around in ponytails just because, girl, the hair lasts forever. Like the wigs that you see me wearing most of the time, I've honestly had for like 2 years, but I decided to treat myself to a new one, okay? And she real cute. Oh wait, ooh. And if you're new here, hit subscribe to join the tribe. It's popping, it's lit, and it's where you want to be. Now, I don't want you guys to think I'm being biased because this is my hair. I'm just letting y'all know you see me out here using all these different companies all the time, and I will tell you, I'm sorry y'all, but it's superior. It is superior, and everyone who interacts with this hair is like, how, Sway? Can I get some more? It does sell it pretty quickly, so it's the kind of thing when it's available, you gotta grab it, y'all. Grab it and go, because it's not something that's just like always in stock all the time, non-stop, and I have this like unlimited supply all the time. It takes time. It takes time. But this hair is all about being wild and free, which is why it's called Untamed. It's for people who want to live their best life and not have to think about their hair and are not into conforming to the idea of your hair being like this or being like this. Nah, honey, we out here. We wild and free. We untamed. So yes, it's for you if that's you. Okay, so let's see what this looks like brushed out, like and carefree. So we're gonna kind of wet her down a bit so we don't scare all of you who are not into the big hair as much. And we're gonna just like define her a bit and get some product in there. But what I do love is that this hair can go from huge, as you can see, to a much more subdued look. Also, if you're not into having as much hair on your head, you don't even have to use as many bundles. Like you could do a frontal in 2 bundles easily, especially if you're going with the shorter lengths, like a 16. So as you guys notice, I don't love overly defined hair. I love hair that's kind of a little messy, a little free, a little wild, right? So I usually don't like the hair as much on day like 1 of washing, just because I find it's like smaller, it's more defined than, you know, like a nice week in. Trying not to get the water on my actual face, but my ultimate favorite product to use on this hair is the Mixed Chicks leave-in. I've tried a million different things, but this is definitely by far like the best one. And what I do is, like, let's say if today was the first day I washed it or whatever, I put this stuff in now, and the guys, I don't even really touch it again with the product for a long time. I'll just use water and kind of like activate it, and that's it. Like, so I could say like, especially if you're not sleeping in it, you know, you're really not putting the product in very often at all. And that's why I think I love it. It's like you just don't have to keep reapplying. I like things that last. Got this side defined and wet and like, hey, how you doing? And then this side brushed out, honey, brushed out, as you guys saw. when I was doing it. I just like to, I love cutting curly hair when it's brushed out and you can just like kind of see the shape of it like this, and then wetting it for definition. So with this hair, you could definitely do anything you could do normally with your normal hair. So twist outs, whatever you want, China bump / Bantu knot sets, all of the above. The options are honestly limitless. Limitless. Also, like, I love using this product, but it's the type of hair that also, like, please do not drench it in too many different products. You don't need to put oils in it. You don't need to put a bunch of greases in it. Like, those things are actually not your friend when it comes to your weave, guys. Like, you don't need that stuff. When you have good hair, you don't need all those different products. Like, I mean, to be honest with you, you could actually even wear this hair without product. It dries so nicely, naturally, and if you're okay with having, obviously, a little bit of frizz and that movement, then you'll be fine with it air dried. And you won't even need to lather it with a ton of product. We've got all our product on. Now it's time to dry her. Diffusers are life. They really are. If you don't use one, I don't know what you're doing. So there you have it, y'all. Finished product. If you're into more definition, this is the definition, darling. But I still fluffed it out a lot after it was dried, so it's all preference. You already know I love me some big hair. So you could just use less hair if you want something a little bit smaller. Alright guys, so that's all for today. I just wanted to share the Untamed collection with you guys in case you were interested in ordering and to answer your questions, because y'all sometimes be like, girl, I can't concentrate. What hair is that? Girl, I can't. And I'm like, here is all the information. Here it is. Go to the website, feast your eyes on it, place your orders if you like. Whatever it is, darling. It's got you. Summer is coming. You better be ready, honey. You better be ready. Ready for the water and all of the things that life throws at you this summer. What else do you want to know? Comment below. Let me know if there's anything else you guys want to know about the hair. There is a special coupon code. I never put this hair on sale, but for you, the tribe, and the coupon code is TRIBELOVE. So if you insert that, you will get 10% off. The code will only last for this week, and that's it. After that, it will expire, so hopefully you were one of the lucky ones to get to use this code. Oh, don't forget to hit subscribe, y'all, to join the tribe, y'all, because it's popping, it's lit, and it's the way you want to be. That's all for today. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste.
Whispered that she don't drink, said the sheet rolling. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm gon' hit. I'm like, what you think, so think what you want. She had me a thing.